Jatend migao mar Arita Kipchumba Murkomen osingone Jokenya arita makare e kinde nyasi mag sikuku. Kane owuoyo e nyasi mar arus moro e tong' ma Muoroni gi Kipkelion, Kipchumba owacho ni gidhi rido arita e gwenge te e kindegi. Bende okwayo jopiny mondo obed motang' kendo kik gitim nyasi asasa makelo negi hinyruok ka ochiwo ranyisi gi derepe mariembo komer.
Sports committee ambao waziri Kipchumba
ongegeti turonge mwage ne pongezi
nigagende tabat agetinya bonda gimenye to have everything to thank God for.
Today we are here in Nyanza and we have taken time to have a conversation with our local administration leadership and the security team who are serving between Kericho and Kisumu counties. And we are very happy that they have given us a very positive report that past cases of conflicts among communities have now subsided. This is a festive season. As a ministry, I want to ensure the people of Kenya that their security is guaranteed, that their safety is guaranteed, even as they go about their business of holiday. I want to appreciate them for what they do.